Okay, we're going to start by reading the problem first. It says, the length of one wall in Mr. Shelby's classroom is 29 feet. What is the length of this wall in inches? Well, we're first going to underline or highlight what we know. Is that the classroom is 29 feet. And then the wall, I want to know in inches. We want to know the measurement in inches. And we know here that there's two different units, feet and inches. So the first thing we should do is find how many inches are in 1 foot. If we go to the page at the front of the booklet, we should be able to find this information. So on the booklet, we can see here, it says 1 foot and 12 inches. So we're going to write this information on our next to our problem. So we keep that in mind. Okay? So it says 1 foot equals 12 inches. And we have here 29 feet. 29 feet equals to how many inches? So we're going to look for how many inches we need. So based on this information, we know that we need to multiply the 29 feet by 12 to find the number of inches here. We can solve this by using different methods. Today we will go over 2 different methods we learned in class. The first one we will go over is the partial product. The partial product includes expanded form. So for 29, we're going to do expand it. So it's 20 plus 9 times, which is 12. Expanded form is 10 plus 2. Okay, and then we're going to solve for that. We're going to multiply 20 times 10 is 200. 20 times 2 is 40. And 9 times 10 is 90. And 9 times 2 is 18. Then we're going to add this, our products here. So 200 plus 90 plus 40 plus 18. In addition, we should have that down by now. So this is 8. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 1 is 14. 2 plus 1 is 3. So in this, using the partial product, we got 348 inches. Now we're going to use the other method. The second method we're going to look at today is the standard algorithm. So this is the regular one that we use. So we're going to start with the ones here. So 2 times 9, or 9 times 2 is 18, right? And then the 1 carry over it. And then we're going to move into 2 times 2, and then plus 1 because we carried over earlier. It's 5. Then we're going to move on with our tens, the 1 here. 1 times 9, it's 9. Okay, and then we're going to leave this blank because a place value. Because we're not doing ones anymore, we're doing tens. And then we're going to move from 1 times 2, it's 2, right? And then we're going to solve for this. We're going to add at the bottom. So 8 plus 0, it's 8. 5 plus 9 is 14. So we carry 1 over here. And 1 plus 2, it's 3. Well, you can see that we also got 348 inches here. We got the same answer that we got for the partial product. So based on what we know, here, if we go back to the question, we should be able to find the answer here. We saw 348 for the partial product, 348 for the standard algorithm. So we know here that the answer is 348 inches. The letter F, 29 feet equals to 348 inches.